How to see your password on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok. Navigate to the profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right. Now click on the option settings and privacy. Here you're going to find different option, but you won't find the option to see your password. So what you have to do is launch your settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option apps. In your iOS device, you're going to find the default app, Password Manager. Click on the option Passwords. Now scroll down, click on the option Open Passwords. Your Face ID will be enabled or you will be prompted to enter your passcode. Once you do that, you will be directed to this page. Now click on the option of All. Now in this page, you're going to find all the saved password. In this list, you will also find the option of TikTok. Just click on that and you can head over to the option of password. The password will be visible. So this way you can easily see your password on TikTok. Likewise, another thing you can do is if you have logged into your TikTok in any of the web browsers such as Google, you can see the password. Navigate to the website, then click on three dots given at the bottom left. Here you're going to find the option of Password Manager. Click on that. Your Face ID will be enabled or you will be prompted to enter the passcode. After you do that, you will be directed to this page where you're going to find this section of saved passwords, and under that you will also find the option of TikTok. So this way you can easily see your password on TikTok. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.